What is the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things or IoT refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data. Thanks to the arrival of superchip computer chip and the ubiquity of wireless network, it's possible to turn anything from something as small as a pill to something as big as an aeroplane into a part of the IoT. Connecting up all these different objects and adding sensors to them adds a level of digital intelligence to devices that would be otherwise dumb, enabling them to communicate real-time data without involving a human being. The Internet of Things is making the fabric of the world around us more smarter and more responsive, merging the digital and physical universe. What is an example of an Internet of Things device? Pretty much any physical object can transform it into an IoT device if it can connect it to the internet to be controlled or communicate information. A light bulb that can be switched on using a smartphone app is an IoT device, as is a motion sensor or a smart thermostat in your office or a connected street light. An IoT device could as fluffy as a child toy or as serious as a driverless truck. Some larger objects may themselves be filled with many smart IoT components such as a jet engine that's now filled with thousands of sensors collecting and transmitting data back to make sure it is operating efficiently at a bigger scale. Smart cities projects are filling entire regions with sensors to help us understand and control the environment. The term IoT is mainly used for devices that would be usually be generally accepted to have an internet connection and that can communicate with the network independently of human action. For this reason, a PC is not generally considered an IoT device and neither is a smartphone, even though the latter is crammed with sensors. A smartwatch or a fitness band or other wearable device may be counted as an IoT device. How can IoT work without internet? Answer it in a comment box.